What's up people, this is Elrider and I'm back with another video. So today what actually had happened one year, I broke my GoPro's microphone USB plug. This is my GoPro, GoPro Hero 3 Plus Black Edition, and this is where you plug your microphone. What actually happened one day, I was plugging one microphone and unfortunately मैले तान्दिए के microphone लाई अलिकति, and all of a sudden I just broke this part. यो part हुन्छ नि, this is broken, you guys can see over here. I broke this and it's moving right now, and this thing actually just literally came off my microphone housing. यो housing बाट बाहिरै निस्कियो के, and अलिकति धागा लिएर मैले यो भित्र छिराइदिए. And right now I'm going to fix this thing. So I'm using some super glue and a black tape. So I'm using some super glue to fix it, to make a quick bond, and a little bit of super glue just to put it in place. So let this thing dry for a few seconds. So yes, just make a quick bond and use the black tape. This is the electrical tape, like this. Yeah, it's now quite hard, and I guess it will stick in its place, and hope it works fine. Yeah, I guess no electrical problems had occurred inside, so I can test out this GoPro mic once again. Hello, mic testing 1 2 3. Hello. And yes, the mic is working. I'll try to fix it. So I'm just going to use this black tape, and yes, this is the final product. It looks like this. And this insert the dead cat.